positive versus negative messaging in your ad copy and why you should be testing both positive and negative ad copies. So if you're running a business online and you're running Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or Snapchat ads, basically if you're running any kind of advertisement online, you want to experiment with both positive messaging and negative messaging. And my favorite example of this is these two ads that I saw. One said save money now, when the other one said stop wasting money now. And which one do you think performed better? The one that actually performed better was the positive one. And the reason the positive ad got better results was because positive messaging equals positive results. Now, that's a slight exaggeration, but what I mean to say is for your individual business, results may vary. You definitely want to A/B test positive messaging and negative messaging because you may just come to find out that negative messaging may be the better option. Or there was once a anti-soda campaign where they got like this substance that represented the amount of fat that you're drinking, put it in the cup, and they had some guy drink it, and when he drank it, it was like a milky substance and it looked really disgusting with chunks in it and it was rolling down his face. But basically what I'm trying to say, it was message received. It was really gross to look at, and what it did was it rose awareness as to what people were drinking, because there was a point in time where people were drinking way more soda than they were drinking water.